and I want to share with you on how I got my crypto jobs. All right, so it also felt late, okay, middle of December 2020, when Miss Victoria Baka held a class on how to get crypto jobs, how to monetize what you know, and how to make money with crypto. Now, after that class, I was so much spurred to actions. One of the things that stood out for me in that class is how she explained that everything has gone digital and the ways of making money have also gone digital. So if you have to get to this thing, if you have to get to this point of living your desired life, you should think of digital life, digital life. Now, she explained the fact that you can actually work from the comforts of your home and still make so much money as you desire and earn a good living. Now, how? Getting crypto jobs. Now, she gave us tips on how to get these crypto jobs. First, she said, intern for people. Look out for these jobs. Look out for people that are already into it. Then try interning for them. Look out for people that are already expertise in this thing. Learn from them. Let them mentor you. That was practically what I did. I looked out for people. I allowed them mentor me into this thing. I learned from them. Now she said, write and sell yourself. That was the striking point for me because I wasn't really a writing person. I'm a mathematician. I didn't know what to do with writing. But this really helped me think out of the box, okay? Not just getting limited to what I studied or what I could do. Now, I started writing. I read and I wrote about these things. Now, when I applied for these jobs and they asked, because they will ask you for your experiences. Now, I could easily share what I've written with them and people have intended for what the works I've done with them. That was majorly how I got the jobs I got. Because the first one, I first introduced myself. I told them what I could offer, but they needed to know what I have done, and to show what I could do, I needed to present what I have done. Now, what you have done is very, very important. That's why you need to first start doing something. But you need to be guided on how to do these things. And that was what Miss Victoria Baka did for us. She guided us on how to do this. Alright? In the class, she gave elaborate ways and easier ways to do these things. That's why you need to get this course. Like, that's why you need to enroll to this course. Like, this was a turning point for me. Alright? This course was it resulted to a lot of changes in my life. Yet, okay, in less than 6 weeks, yes, in less than 6 weeks, I had already gotten a job that pays me 2 times what my physical job was giving me. Am I saying 2 times? No, 4 times what the physical job I was doing as of December was giving me. So you see, there is a space for everyone in this crypto world. Yes, you have a chance. No matter what you can do, just let yourself be taught. And by who? By Miss Victoria Baka. Yes, let yourself be taught. Alright? So as you're watching this, just be motivated to take an action. And the first action you have to take is just reach out to Miss Victoria Baka. I bet you, your life will change. Never remain the same again, I promise. Mine never remained the same again after meeting her and after taking that course. Like, I wouldn't say, okay, let me leave that part to myself. But seriously, a lot of things have changed. Just imagine me getting one job that is paying me 4 times what my physical job was paying me, and I do these jobs right there in my room. Oh my goodness. Yes. So you can do this anywhere you are and however you want it. Alright? This is lots more than what we do in our physical jobs that take all of our time, yet give us payments as peanuts. Alright, so just take up the action. First, reach out to Victoria Baka. She has a lot of values to deliver to you. I bet you would love it. Alright, bye.